Okay, with the holidays and Thanksgiving coming up, you're definitely going to need some easy, tasty recipes under your slightly loosened belt. So here's 2 appy recipes for you that you're going to make with just one recipe. First, there are these no-cook cheeseball bites, and we've also got a warm cheese dip hot from the oven, and both are served with a DELISH red pepper relish. Here's how we do it. To make the red pepper relish, in a saucepan over a medium heat, you're going to add olive oil, onion, and red bell pepper. Cook this for 3 to 4 minutes until soft and fragrant. Then add garlic, sea salt, chili flakes, and Dijon mustard, and saute, stirring frequently for about 5 minutes, reducing the heat to medium-low so that the garlic doesn't burn. Add sugar and white wine vinegar and bring this to a low simmer and cook, stirring occasionally for about 10 minutes until most of the liquid is absorbed. Then you can set this aside at room temperature to cool. To make the spiced pecan topping, you're going to combine pulsed pecans, chili powder, garlic powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, fresh thyme, and sea salt. Now to make the cheese mixture, in a large mixing bowl you're going to combine soft vegan cheese, vegan mozzarella shreds, chives, shallot, and garlic. You can use half of this mixture to make the cheese balls and use the remainder to make the warm cheese dip. If you want to make cheese balls, you'll use a cookie scoop to place 9 spoonfuls onto a parchment-lined baking sheet in one layer. Place the baking sheet in the refrigerator to chill. To make the cheese dip, you're going to portion half of the cheese mixture into a brie cheese baker or a small oven-safe dish. Top the dip with 1/4 cup of the spiced pecan mixture and reserve the rest for rolling the cheese ball bites. Bake the dip uncovered in an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes until the dip is warmed through and the pecan topping is slightly toasted on the top. Now that the cheese balls have chilled, you can roll each scooped amount into the remaining spiced pecan topping until evenly coated. Just before serving the cheese balls, insert a small pretzel rod into each ball and serve them with the red pepper relish dip on the side. When the cheese dip is baked and warmed through, top the dip with red pepper relish just before serving. And don't forget about adding your fave dippers for the warm cheese dip. Oh, man, I'm not sure which one I like more. So that just means you guys have to make them both and comment below to tell me which one you're cozying up to more. Next week, I've got more holiday recipes for you, so stay tuned. But in the meantime, while you're planning your Christmas shopping, may I suggest my cookbook, Vegan Comfort Classics, 101 Recipes to Feed Your Face. If someone you know does not have this cookbook on their shelf, I think you better get it for them. And if you're looking for other ideas, head on over to hotforfoodblogshop.com as I've got brand new merch that I released this year. And I've even got an ebook called Hot for Holidays that's going to come in handy with planning all of your festive vegan feasts. Check all these links below and I'll see you guys next time. I'm Lauren from Hot for Food and keep on watching my channel. I have linked some videos here and here. Just keep on binge watching. Also, you can follow me on social media at Hot4Food, at Lauren Toyota, and of course subscribe because I'm here with brand new recipes every Wednesday.